Hello, this is my assignment for E5 in Japan. So, what is a drone? A drone is an unmanned aircraft that is basically a flying robot that can be remote controlled or fly autonomously using software. It works when technology is in conjunction with GPS and onboard sensors, and some different components of drone technology include radar positioning and return home. It also includes obstacle detection and collision avoidance technology, um, gyroscope, stabilization, inertial measurement unit, and motors and propellers. And who is using drone? Drones are used for a variety of reasons, which include military usage, combat missions, research and development, and supervision. It is also used for delivery, emergency rescue, agriculture, outer space, wildlife, and historical conservation. Currently, there is drone use allowed in Japan. Farmers use drones in Japan, using it to identify crop conditions. It is also used for aerial farming, crop dusting, geographical measurement, and deliveries. And if you were a drone operator as your career in Japan, for this job, you would mainly remote pilots and operate vehicles for many purposes, such as aerial photographing, progress tracking, surveillance, and also terrain mapping. And they also comply with the laws and the regulations that are in place in Japan. And for the average salary of that job, it would be about 56,000 US dollars. And why are they using drones? The market right now is very popular for drones. Japan has passed laws recently in 2022 that now allow operators to fly drones where people work or live. And there are around 20 major drone manufacturers in Japan. Specifically, Yamaha Motor Company develops unmanned helicopters for agricultural applications. The technology for automatic flight through satellite is very beneficial to solving bigger issues of society, and it can also carry bigger and heavier cargo. Where are they using drones? In Japan, they use drones mostly for military applications. It's continuing to advance and expand the technology wise for commercial, scientific, and recreational, also policing, surveillance, and drone racing. When are they using drones? So some barriers that may arise with drones in the market on Japan is the limitations of technology. So any flight mission requiring longer flight time might need be more available for batteries for recharging. Also, adding another unknown quantity to airspace can be hazardous with other aircrafts in the air. And lastly, how to apply drones to help solve the issues related to the SDGs. They can be used in many sectors of the economy, such as agricultural, transport, infrastructure, entertainment, and telecommunications. And drones are an eco-friendly way, or it's a gadget that reduces the amount of carbon dioxide emissions, but is also cost efficient. Drones allow the opportunity to address the challenges such as poverty, inequality, climate, and environmental degradation and prosperity. And for my two truths and a lie, currently drone use is not allowed in Japan. Number two, for a career as a drone operator, you would mainly remote and operate vehicles for many purposes. And then my last one, drones are used for delivery, emergency rescue, agriculture, outer space, wildlife, and historical conservation. Thank you.